Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located in the premier area of Cherry Gardens is this gorgeous 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom home with staff quarters and sits on 1/3 of an acre. This beautifully furnished home has the space and the amenities you would expect with a swimming pool, gazebo, garden areas, two-car enclosed garage with automatic doors, automatic gate, water tanks, security system, CC cameras, and a generator. This house can be rented unfurnished also. Nearby are schools, churches, shopping centers, restaurants, golf course, and entertainment. Call today and let's make this your home. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
I begin to I begin to
The monthly rental price for this house is US 5,500 or Jamaican $846,500. To rent this house, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.